I've been living by myself for about 10 years now, and I don't eat right. I don't get enough protein in my diet, and it seems like no matter what I try, I'm just not getting it. I heard about the Premier Protein Indulgence line that they just came out with. This is the chocolate covered strawberry. I'm really excited to try it. Okay, so these come in 11.5-ounce bottles. And I really want to point out that 30 grams of protein is incredible in an 11.5-ounce bottle. So that is like more than any of the protein powders I've been using. Those are like up to 25 grams of protein. So this is really exciting to me. And it also has some really great other macronutrients there. See if you can get a little bit of a glance. And I love the containers. These are great. I do also love the fact that if you are someone who recycles, you can just pull down on this tab right here, and this whole, all the words and all this covering here comes off before you put it in the recycling. That is wonderful. I just really appreciate that. So I do want to go ahead and open this up and try it. It's not cold, but I'm really very hopeful because the salted caramel one, even warm, tasted good. So let's try this here. Get it open. Okay, it's kind of pinkish, kind of brownish it looks. That is really good. I've had a lot of strawberry drinks in the past that have been okay. This is really good. It does have, I wondered about it being more chocolate than strawberry, but it's not. It tastes like a strawberry dipped in chocolate. Imagine that. So I'm really tickled with this. And the fact that it's so rich and it tastes really sweet, but it's really not. I'm really excited for this to be like an afternoon snack, or you can actually make ice cream with it. I've done it with the chocolate one. Oh, it's so, so good. And I love strawberries. I really love strawberries. So strawberry ice cream is also one of my favorite flavors of ice cream. And to be able to have ice cream that has 30 grams of protein and just all those macronutrients that are so yummy, really excited about this. Oh yeah,